Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your buttons or the volume is not working on your Google TV remote with your Google TV. So what we want to do is go up to settings and then select this and go all the way down. And we want to go to remote and accessories and then go to the right. Now we could try going to set up remote buttons right here and add your TV under here. So go to TV, find your brand. So I got TCL TV. It's not listed on the top, so I'm going to have to go to the T section. And then just set up your TV and I'll set up the buttons for you. So here's TCL TV. And everything is already working for me without adding the TV. So I'm good. I would just want to go down to this section right here. You could try turning on HDMI CEC. And then we can go to power button right here. CEC, customize power button. And then we can go to our TV and we can set up the buttons on it. So this is Amazon TV when I'm back at home. I can set up the buttons specifically on here. And I'll say, do you want to turn up the remote, down the remote? And then you can set it up later. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.